guys, I'm home. Yes, I'm home now. It was quite a haul, I have to say to you guys. I'm gonna clean out the fridge before I do this. This is everything that we got at our haul. I have to get it up off the floor just because I didn't have enough room on my table, and the kitchen's still a mess. So before the cats get into all of it, I wanted to show you guys what I got. The bags of chips were 3 for $10. I will tell you guys how much I spent after I'm done showing you guys the haul. But these are for the baking goods, like I was telling you guys, for cooking this week. I am super excited. I got the meatballs that I was looking for. You guys see me. It took me a while to get them. They didn't have everything stocked this morning when I got there. They were just putting everything out, but that's okay. We did good. I'm pretty happy. These were actually for $5. I couldn't believe it. I was like, yes, please, because everyone in our house loves stuffing. I got some Pop-Tarts. They were on sale as well. You get 8 of 3 different kinds. Cereal, of course, 3 for $10. The kids go through a boatload. I'm going to put these ones in the back because Ben didn't get them last time. So I'm going to hide them in our bedroom. I got these for the kids. As you guys see, they love their goldfish and their chips. Some bear paws, some cupcakes, and caramels. Hey. Scalloped potatoes, because I don't have any more of my stuff for the recipe that I make for my scalloped potatoes, so I wanted to get them. Ben and I haven't had them for a while. Definitely a must. Got some gravy, broccoli, apples, bananas, sweet potatoes, green onions, carrots. I needed some more spices.
Mom, I'm hungry.
I got some canned goods. They didn't have the other cranberry sauce that I want, so I'm hoping this one will turn out good with the meatballs. And then for the eggnog muffins that I want to make, I got the cranberries all cut up myself. Ooh, the cupcakes are taking off. Here we go. Yep, bingo. That's okay. We'll pick it up after. Not worried about it right now. The 3-pack of bacon, like I said to you guys, that was on sale. Yes, please. Like, are you kidding me? I know. I should have grabbed 2. I should have. It was there. I got the 2 iced teas, like I was telling you guys. Ben loves them, but the kids go through it like crazy, and he didn't get it most of the last one that we got. The Fruitopia was gone in a day, so I'm definitely going to have to hide it in the back of the fridge.
The fight for survival.
I got some Kool-Aid jammers. The kids really love these. Unfortunately, they weren't on sale, so I only got 2 boxes, and I will go back when they go back on sale. Usually they have great prices for them. I got some Mama Bear and Papa Bear slippers. Oh, they are so darling. And my coffee. I need my coffee. Yes, I do. But that is pretty much everything that we got. Got some eggnog, craft dinner like you guys seen. So it was a pretty good haul, I have to say. It will probably last us about 2 to 3 weeks in our household, unfortunately. But with a family of 6 to 8 on daily, it's pretty hectic. So they eat a lot, they're growing, and it is what it is, but we love it. So for my relaxation is my organization, so I'm going to get to the kitchen, and I hope you guys are having a fabulous day. The haul, I'll let you guys know when I'm done doing it and putting it away. Comment below, let me know what you guys think previously before I let you guys know how much it was, and we'll get to it. I hope you guys are having a fabulous day. Okay.
Aw, kitty.
Hold on.
Look at that chin when I got broke.
Okay, sorry, Chris is converting. The kitten gets up on the shelving where the TV is, and oh boy. So now that I got everything in the kitchen, I am going to clean out the fridge quickly while we try and sort it and put it away. Yes! See? So, and my counter space is full, so I'm gonna have to try to maneuver it while trying to get it all situated. So here we go. And it's 10 o'clock, so I'm making good timing, making great timing. So I still want to get to the storage unit and grab our Christmas totes before it starts snowing. As they are calling for snow in the forecast. I gotta grate up some cheese for our baking as well. Almost sick. I mean cooking as well. See, I'm already all over the place. That's okay. That is okay. I have like one egg left. I'm glad I grabbed more. Trying to find the space. Broccoli that I gotta cut up in the back of the bag. Condiments up top. Lemon, I want to use her recipe. It won't be like a big cleanup, but it will be rearranged to the point where it's gonna look that nice, like a lot nicer. It's like completely frozen. Like my fridge. Why? Cupcakes. When they made their cinnamon reindeer. Oh, shredded cheese. Look at that. Look at that. Like when I say, guys, I have no counter space here, let me show you. Like no space at all. And don't mind my dishes, I still need to do those. But yes, no space. So trying to clean, no space at all. But we're working through it. Yes, I put my hair up. It was in a hat, but it's already like banana. I gotta redo it, but yeah, we're just pretty much trucking along on this Sunday, trucking along before the kids come home. I want to get the holiday gifts. He's playing his game, and he just got a new PlayStation remote, like I showed you guys for his birthday. So, oh yeah, I'll show you guys that because I didn't show you when I picked it up. I wasn't able to.
I have a shirt on, people.
So this is the remote that I got him. Sorry I didn't show you guys. I was trying to lug that cart. It was so heavy. So this is the remote I picked up for him. It was the blue. It was on Black Friday sale for $69 something. So it wasn't too bad. It was quite nice and he likes it. So yes. Oh, and then the Mama Bear and Papa Bear slippers that I seen that I was walking by that I didn't show you guys either. I got these ones for his birthday, but then I seen the Mama Bear and of course I had to, right? Right. So Ben was just saying that you need socks with slippers or they're gonna stink because they're pretty hot and fluffy inside. So you gotta get those right socks for the slippers.
Even for cutesy.
Gootsy ootsy. Okay, let's get back to the fridge. I still highly recommend these containers. Love them. And the kids love them too. I just keep opening them up just to check if my veggies are still good. But some peppers are looking really sad. They're looking really sad. Okay, so I'm gonna give it a quick wipe out. Make the fridge feel all nice and pretty. Make the fridge feel all nice and pretty. because it's looking pretty sad right now. Yes, my fridge is looking sad. Because it's dirty. Something blue dripped down. I don't know what that is, but I'm assuming it's juice. There we go. I need a bigger fridge. Hold more stuff. Something else fell there and the kids didn't say anything. Oh boy, oh boy. There we go. It's looking better. It's probably feeling way more happier now that it's clean. Good little wipe down. Never hurts anybody. Alrighty, now let's get the fridge stuff in the fridge before it gets sad and yucky. As you guys seen, I already did my freezer, but I have to do it again because it's looking sad again. something stopping me. What is going on? Oh, there we go. I was wondering what was going on there. Nope. Looking at the egg containers on Amazon, they look super cool. I think I want to grab a couple. I do. Okay, yeah. Good, we're figuring it out. I like having containers in my fridge. It just feels more organized, more put together than anything else. Freezer. Are you guys already for your holiday seasons? Do you guys have everything put up so far? I'm hoping this week will be our week to get everything up. Fingers crossed. Fingers crossed. That's my mission. My mission to do that. Oh well. It was given to me without a bag. I managed to bag. already. I think that is it for the fridge stuff. I'm hoping. Fingers crossed. Okay. Alright. We got the fridge done. Now time to move on to the freezer. The freezer. You guys still with me? Bear with me. If you're still coming along with me, make sure you hit that subscription button below, the like, comment, and yes, hit the notification bell if you guys want to see upcoming videos that are still on the way. Alright, freezer time. Oh, mouse from the snake. Ooh. Whoa. Again, it's Ben's snake. I did not have a snake when we met. No, I did not. I can't handle snakes. Like I said, out, down the road, gone. If that snake ever got out of its cage, let's just pray and hope that will never be a day. I think I couldn't handle my day. See, and I told myself I was looking right at them. You guys know I was looking right at them. I thought as I just bought them, we might have needed more, but I didn't think we did. Definitely did. Only have one left, so. Man, so close sometimes. So close. Yeah, another mouse. Whoa. When would you drop? Shelf or liquor? You tell me. Neither. Okay. I got these shelves at the Dollarama, like I told you guys before. I think they were like $4 for the shelf. They have smaller ones that they're half the size for $3. I love them for a freezer. It definitely gives us more organization for my relaxation, and it looks 10 times better being able to lay stuff down, stack it up accordingly, organize it the way you need it, so nothing's like jammed in and piled on and you can't get to, or you're constantly trying to take all out. Good. Oh, the latch. So glad I have lots of butter for bacon. They're just not the sticks, which I'm totally fine with. You work with what you got. Alright, let's take this spray. It's looking pretty sad. I am going to get over to No Frills and get the pizzas that Walmart didn't have. They didn't have the pack of 4, so I definitely want to get over there and get those for the kiddos. coming along. So you guys will probably see me just kind of readjusting, redoing, seeing where things fit, making it work, I guess. The best way we can. I'm so happy. Yes! It feels better.
Oh, go back to bed.
99. These dudes do not like to stay up at all. I'm not. Babe, I'm just wiping. I'm not shaking my butt. Stay, boys.
Shake the Dora, shake it all the time. Shake.
Oh yeah, the mice.
Yummy! You want me one of them out? Small one.
They're both medium.
That one. Fork's on the floor. Alright, I'll bag open. Find a lucky winner inside your comments, maybe here in the near future, and they can win a snake.
I'm already getting a giveaway together, so I'm excited about that. I'm getting ready to do a giveaway, not getting giddy gala. Okay, let's get to the cupboard stuff now. You guys still with me? If you're with me, hi! Trying to angle where you guys can see the cupboard and what I'm about to do with it. Oh. Silly me. Tight squeeze, but we did it. No.
These ones are hard to pull off. I'm surprised. Usually the other ones like fall right off. I just don't want me to be done either. Needs to. I tell you.
Here you go. Here you come. Whee! Whee! We like trying. We're back. We're back. Oh, no, no. It's fun. Like how I stop.
Tedious. See, it's just all
Wait, that's him every toy. No, no, don't die. Ow. Johnny, get my stuff. That mine, that you get. We gotta have a chance. I know what to do now. After I get off the chance, what we have, I'll get that stuff.
wow.
I have it.
Now that all the other two ones are over there. I don't even get every either. But the kids love cereals. So I try to get them all. I was like, no. I know that sugar content is super high, but they only get a few in their lunch and then they can grab a couple in their hand and munch on them when they can. See, the green ones are just falling off. Isn't that how it's supposed to be? I thought so too. The green ones on top because they are looking a little bit sad. And the kids can munch on them right away. So I'm not too worried about it.
I got something for you. Why are pigs still here? Gail, Hall, Gail, somebody in her nose.
Okay, now that those are done, put them right back in the fridge. There we go. Grapes. Grapes for the kiddos. Grapes, apples, bananas, you name it, they got it. Oh boy, here we go. Alright, let's bring it in closer. Don't mind the mess. Judgment free zone, guys. Alright, let's get to this chaotic craziness. Yeah. Cranberry sauce I was looking for. Oh, of course. Go back. I didn't see it. That's okay. Never do too many. Do without too many. It's perfect. Makes my heart happy. Makes my heart happy. Steel war. Tagging me.
Groceries, kitties.
gonna put the bread in the freezer and cupcakes in the garbage, and that's it.
Bye!
So thank you guys for coming along with me while I cleaned out my fridge, put the grocery haul away. I am going to put all the snacks in our bedroom and figure out where I'm going to do all that. And then tomorrow, hopefully, fingers crossed, I'll be decorating for Christmas. So stay tuned, guys. Thank you so much for coming along and joining me on this crazy, chaotic day. But we love every minute of it. I couldn't do it without you guys. So make sure you like, subscribe, and comment below. And always remember, you're kind, you're beautiful, and you're amazing. Never forget it. Bye, guys.